Hi, this is a quick screencast. I'm having difficulty migrating a website. It probably needs to be done manually, and I have a free migration with my account, so I'd like to use that. So I thought I'd just show you how to get into the cPanel for the website that I'd like to migrate over. So I'll send you these details in thearea.com.au. and these details, login details. And then if I log in, I'll just quickly show you how to get to the cPanel. So manage hosting here, this Pro Web Hosting, and manage hosting, and then come down to the website that I would like to migrate is maximdigital.com.au. Click on manage, and then go to cPanel. And there it is there. So that's how to log in to the cPanel area for this website. Cheers.